Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from in the whole wide world. This is my Big C with another video. As you can guess, I've sat in my car, so yes, it will be a car camping video, but there will be some drone footage incorporated in with this. I'm at the bottom end of Stanage Edge today, which is in the Peak District, but unfortunately I cannot, I keep on getting my finger in the way, park where I wanted to park because of a shed load of bloody camper vans and cars that's up there at the moment. I was going to do a live stream, but it's only 3G down here. I've just done Messenger on me with my wife, and not great. So it don't look like I'll be watching any YouTube or anything like that this evening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get I'll show you what I've got in my car, and then I'll get it all set up. All right, see you in a bit. Right, I've just got a few things out. I'll spin you around. Obviously, that's my pillow. Got some goodies in here which I'll get out in a minute. And also in here as well. I'll show you this one first. I'll do this one one hand, because I forgot my tripod like a wally. Few snacks for tonight. Crisps. That's my burner. I'm going to mash a coffee in a minute. Little spatula thing. I've got gala slices, obviously got from Asda earlier, which is like Walmart wet wipes, and I went out and bought another gas canister. I've only used this once. This one I've lost the green top. But I've only used this once, so I should be able to use that without having to get into that one. Then I've got some latte pouches. I'm going to have a latte in a bit. Got to get the bed sorted out. Obviously that's the mattress. Sorry, the duvet cover. My mattress, which is an airbed, is under there. And remember the brown sauce. And the cup. I've got the air pump there. You can just see the pipe there to my air pump. If I remember correctly, I've got to sort out, turn the car on. So that's pump that up. I'll do that in a bit. But in the other one, this is my breakfast in the morning. I've got obviously a plate that you can see. There's a bit of lard for the oil, so I can cook my egg and bacon. And I've got bread cake, so we might call them rolls, perhaps, whatever. I've got a bread cake in there as well. But that'll do it for me, which is good. I'm going to send the drone up in a minute so we can have a look at the sunset, if we get one. Over there, that's the sun there. Just over that hill there is Hope Valley. And behind me here is Stanage Edge. I might walk it up there in the morning. Not leaving, because I've got to Tubebuddy. I'm whispering because there's other people about. But yeah, this is where I am. Storming. Right, that's that drone flight on. A bit iffy that one because I kept on disconnecting. Using my iPhone. I tried the iPhone connector for the first time, it went crap. So I had to get my long charger lead out and use that a lot better. So I'll get some proper drone footage in the morning. Hopefully it's not be raining, hopefully it's going to be like this. Get a bit nippy now. I'm going to put my hoodie on, and I need to get this lot sorted. I need to get that lot sorted. Move that out of the way. Put it up there somewhere. That's my porta potty. And get my air mattress up. Put my air pump that I mentioned earlier. There's my air mattress in that carry bag. Then I'm going to mash a coffee. So yeah. In 3, 2, 1. Boom. Bed's done. Toilet. Right, swing around here. Show you what I'm going to do in a minute. As you can see, there's my air mattress. Just see some coming through now, look. Obviously duvet and air mattress. All my stuff down there. I'm going to get me coffee on the go in a minute. I'm a bit thirsty. Forgot my cup. I got it out. I know where it is. It's on chair at home. Bloody hell. I can't have a coffee now. Well, I'll have to make do with water. Happy days. Oh, it'll save me some gas in it. Can't even have a coffee in the morning now. I want to swear now. Shit. Let me just double check that other box. But I don't think it's in there. Fancy. False alarm. And I haven't been back. Jeanette will tell you that. I ain't going back today. Fancy. I know what I forgot though. I'll show you. Friggin' pound of boiling water. Look at that. What a nana. Typical. Brings everything apart from that. Me knee that did. Look at this. Come for a sunset. Not got one. Ish. It's hiding behind a cloud. I throw clouds in the sky, it's right down that cloud. I mean look. A couple of clouds and that was right in front of the sun. Bloody hell. Come to boil. A lot quicker than that other kettle that I had. Boom. Awesome. Oh yeah. Oh, that's hot. Anyway, finally getting the sunset. Try and get it so it's not... There you go. Sunset time. I think tomorrow morning I'm going to walk up there with that footpath right to the top. Yeah, beautiful sunset. Now it's finally get out of the way of that cloud. Yeah, that always tastes nice in the outside, as you do. Letting that cool down, and then I can sit in the car, pack it away for the morning. A few people gone up there for the sunrise, or sunset I should say. Looks nice now. Right then, as you can see, I'm now in in my living area. Bed's there, look. Got my lights on. Got them in like a greeny colour, greeny yellowy colour. So yeah, I've just been chilling out, watching a bit of TikTok and whatnot. I'm going to get in bed in a minute. I need toilet, so I'm going to have to somehow do a number one. Yeah, so I was going to have another coffee, then I realised that I've forgot my pan. So like I said earlier, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just have a swig of water. I've still got some water, so I brought some juice, but anyhow, it's only for one night. And then go to the toilet, get in bed, watch a bit of Netflix, and then get off to sleep. Basically, I have moved my car. Basically, I moved up to where I was originally gonna go. He's set his alarm off. I can Anna. There's somebody in front of me. Yeah, because basically better phone signal. So that's what I'm gonna do. And might have a walk up Standish Edge early in the morning. And then fly the drone and whatnot. So yeah, getting some more better drone video. The reason why I'm doing this in the car is basically for when I'm going out and about further afield. So I'm just trying to get used to it closer to home. I mean about 20-30 minutes away from home. So for argument's sake, I want to go to Flamborough Head or somewhere like that. You know what I mean? Whitby, Filey, those sort of places. Just try to get used to car camping, basically. I need to get better window covers because these are just quite thin and people come close up to it, they'll be able to see through. So I ain't got none for the front yet, neither. So I need to get a curtain as well for the front. So I've got a curtain, but I need to attach it to the car somehow without damaging the car. Because like I said in one of my other videos, that this is not our car. So I can't drill anything in. And I've had to redo these lights as well. I've had to redo those, well, at the back, because the Gorilla Tape had come off a little bit. So yeah, that weren't great. So what I'm going to do for the windows is I'm going to, so like I think I've said this in previous videos, I'm going to get a bit of cardboard, cut to size, and then I'm going to get some frost covers for front and back and do that, put them on. Yeah, put a bit of cardboard, get some more of these, and then stick them over the top, and then jobs are good. Right there, guys. That'll be it for tonight. I'm going to get ready for bed. I shall see you in the morning. All being well. Right, I'll see you later. Morning. Not a good night's sleep. No. I got one pillow, it's not enough. I need two. I've got to get something else other than this airbed because it's not very comfy. Look at that. Got a nice sunrise. I've got to leave it a while before I get up, I think. Right, see you in a bit. Morning, guys. Yes, I woke up a little bit. I'm going to make myself a coffee in a minute. Have a spot of breakfast, but yeah. That air mattress is crap. Air's gone out in it, my back's killing me. So yeah, it's not good. I need to find a better quality air mattress or something better to sleep on. It's not very good. Because what you need when you can't camping or any sort of camping is comfort. And that weren't the best sleep in my eyes. I was going to get drawn up this morning, but I'm tired. It's what, time is it? About 5:30 in the morning. By the time I made my coffee, then I've had my breakfast. I'm going to get off home. Because I am tired. If I do get the drone up. Because I did have a cracking sunrise this morning. I was showing a few pictures before, just behind me. I won't be able to see it there. But, yeah, it's... I'm just too tired. And you can't fly the drone when you're too tired, you know what I mean? I've been on and off all night. Oh, God. During night, I think about 3 o'clock. Bloody car going about 100 miles an hour. Vroom. My car going... I thought, what the fridge? Yeah, that did wake me up, that one. But anyway, I'm going to get going. Alright guys, I'll catch you in a bit. Bye for now.